Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Linux Mint 22.1. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is MySQL.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43. Select it. Then select the operating system. See, you don't have Linux Mint, but open terminal. /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu or Debian. Okay. So its Ubuntu code name is Noble. So select Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version. 24.04 means it is Noble. If it is Gemmi, then you have to select 22.04. Okay, so mine is Noble, so select 24.04. Then see, once you selected it, populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. So instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we will untar the star file and we will install these Debian packages. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Go to terminal. Go to downloads directory ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.43 tar file. We have to untar it. Okay, tar-xf. Then MySQL, then press tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. ls, see here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to execute them to install MySQL Server 8.0.43. But before installing them, we have to install following dependencies. Sudo apt install macap -ipadic -utf8 lib aio-dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. ipadic, it is typo. I will keep this command in the video description. See, both are already installed. Okay, Control A. Now install the MySQL server. Sudo dpkg -i, then star.deb. Hit enter. See, it is installing MySQL server 8.0.43. Now set the password for root account. Confirm the same, hit enter. Use the tab and come to OK and hit enter. See here we have the two types of default plugins. I am going to select. See, one is strong password encryption, second one is legacy authentication method. It is up to you. Then select it and click on. Then come to OK and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, but these test applications failed. But we have successfully installed MySQL Server. Control L. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is started. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Provide the password of root account. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.43. Control L. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. Create database. Verify the same. See, new database bank is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the command use is the keyword. Then provide the name of the database. See, now database changed. Control L. Now create a table. Create table. See, we have created table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Okay, control it. Now connect to MySQL server with this new user. MySQL-u. New user name is David-p. Then provide the password of this user that we have given. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank. Okay, exit. Why we are unable to access? Because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received that error. Okay, now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.43 on Linux Mint operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL, hit enter. Now verify sudo systemctl start status MySQL. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. Okay, quit to quit. Now start it. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-root-p. Then provide the password of this root account. See, you are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Ctrl L. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the same. See, MySQL service is started. Also try to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of root account. See, you have successfully connected. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. We have successfully restarted. Until now, we have connected MySQL server from the MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Logbench or DBR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Logbench or DBR on Linux Mint 22. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Now ls. See, these files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm-start.deb. So this command will delete the .debian packages from the current directory. Ls. See, here we have one more file. Remove it. rm mysql. Then press the tab to autofill enter tar file name. Hit enter. Ls. We have created the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install, and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Linux Mint 22. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.